Why do 70% of seasoned cyclists swear by interval training? It's a game changer in improving riding performance and endurance. Start by gradually increasing your ride duration and intensity. No need to go all out from the start. Build it up slowly. Next, mix things up with interval training. Alternate between high-intensity sprints and low-intensity recovery periods. It keeps your rides exciting and your heart pumping. Don't forget those long, steady rides. They're your ticket to unstoppable aerobic endurance. And if you want real power, hit those hills. Varied terrain boosts strength and cardio fitness. Now let's talk strength training. Focus on leg workouts like squats and lunges. A strong core with planks and Russian twists keeps you stable and powerful. And don't skip the upper body. Push-ups and pull-ups will enhance your posture and bike handling. Flexibility? Stretch after every ride to keep injuries at bay. Yoga is your secret weapon for flexibility and balance. So, gear up and get going. These tips will make you a biking beast in no time. Remember, consistency is key. Make biking a regular part of your routine. Riding with friends can make training more enjoyable and keep you motivated. Use tools like heart rate monitors to track your progress and adjust your training. Don't forget to stay hydrated and take breaks when needed. Nutrition is crucial. Fuel your body with healthy meals to recover and perform better. Always warm up before you start your ride to prepare your muscles and prevent injuries. And cool down after intense sessions to help your body recover. Regular bike maintenance is essential. Keep your bike in top condition for a smooth ride. Ensure your bike fits you well to avoid discomfort and injuries. Wear the right gear for safety and comfort. A helmet is a must. A bike computer can help you navigate and track your distance and speed. Participate in local events or races to challenge yourself and meet other cyclists. Enjoy the journey. Cycling is not just about fitness, but also about experiencing the world around you. Reflect on your progress regularly and set new goals to keep improving. Consider getting a professional bike fitting to optimize your performance and comfort. Use tools like foam rollers for muscle recovery and to relieve tension. Incorporate mindfulness or meditation into your routine to stay focused and reduce stress. Explore new routes and trails to keep your rides interesting and challenging. Join a cycling club or community to share tips, experiences, and stay motivated. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Every milestone is a step forward. Plan your rides and training sessions in advance to stay organized and focused. Treat yourself to a post-ride smoothie or recovery drink to replenish your energy. Stay informed and inspired by reading cycling magazines or books. Watch cycling tutorials or documentaries to learn new techniques and stay motivated. Share your cycling journey on social media to connect with other cyclists and inspire others. Set up a home training area with a bike trainer for those days when you can't ride outside. Use cycling apps to track your progress, join challenges, and stay motivated. Involve your family in your cycling adventures for quality time and shared experiences. Attend workshops or seminars to learn from experts and improve your skills. Remember, cycling is not just about fitness, it's about joy, freedom, and the thrill of the ride. Keep pedaling and enjoy every moment on your bike.